Hey there, welcome back to another video by Chemical Engineering Life. In this video, we are going to explore the top 5 ways chemical engineers are solving the current environmental challenges. So do watch the video till the very end, and if you enjoy it, then remember to like, share, and subscribe to Chemical Engineering Life channel for more videos. Let's begin. Number 5 on our list is the depleting natural resources. We are using natural resources faster than the planet can replenish them, and that puts everything from supply chain to ecosystems at a great risk. Chemical engineers stepping in by imagining completely new ways to source, reuse, and reuse materials. And they develop renewable feedstocks, figure out how to convert biomass into useful products, and design processes that produces waste as little as possible. They also use life cycle assessments to measure environmental impact at every stage of a product's existence, helping industries make smarter and greener decisions. And hence, by creating systems that recycle waste into valuable new materials and promoting true circular economy thinking, chemical engineers are helping ensure that future generations will still have the resources they need to thrive. Number 4 on the list is the green process design. Energy use is something that we rarely think about, but industries are massive energy consumers, and that comes with a heavy environmental price. Traditional chemical processes often need intense heat and pressure, which obviously means burning more fossil fuels and releasing more CO2. Chemical engineers play a key role in tackling this by finding smarter and efficient ways to run these processes. Techniques like heat integration help reuse energy within a plant, whereas process intensification makes equipment smaller, faster, and less energy hungry. Chemical engineers also design advanced catalysts that let the reactions happen under gentle conditions. And whenever possible, they will also integrate renewable energy sources into production. And all of this adds up to a cleaner and greener industrial operations. Number 3 on our list is the solid waste management. Solid waste, especially plastics, is piling up faster than we can manage it. Landfills are overflowing, oceans are filling up with microplastics, and many industrial byproducts remain hazardous for years. This isn't just a waste problem, it is a long-term environmental threat. And chemical engineers approach this by reshaping how we deal with waste at every stage. They developed new recycling methods like pyrolysis and biodegradable polymers, and safer waste stabilization methods so that hazardous chemicals don't leak into soil or groundwater. The overall goal here is to move towards a circular economy where materials flow in loops instead of ending up in a dump. Number 2 on our list is the water pollution control. Water pollution is one of those problems that feels invisible until it suddenly isn't. When rivers turn toxic, fish die off, or drinking water becomes unsafe. Industrial wastewater often contains heavy metals, chemicals, dyes, or pathogens that can seriously harm both people and aquatic life. Chemical engineers jump in by designing treatment systems that can clean this water step by step. Membrane filters, ion exchange systems, biological reactors, and advanced oxidation help remove or break down dangerous contaminants, allowing us to reduce the pollution and keep our waters safe. Number 1 on the list is none other than air pollution control. Air pollution is something we hear about all the time, and for good reason. It affects our health, the climate, and even the way ecosystems function. Factories and industrial plants release gases like nitrogen oxides, sulfur oxides, VOCs, and fine particles into the air, and all of these can make smog thicker, worsen asthma, and contribute to acid rain. Instead of just treating this as a distant environmental problem, chemical engineers are directly involved in fixing it. They create the system that cleans the air before it's released, and through things like catalytic converters, scrubbers, absorption towers, and electrostatic precipitators. And beyond that, they are constantly looking at how we can redesign processes and fuels so the pollution doesn't even form in the first place. Hence, No doubt, chemical engineers are at the forefront of solving one of the most pressing environmental challenges worldwide. And also learn more about chemical engineering life at www.ChemEnggLife.com, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to ChemEnggLife channel for more videos. Thank you and have a great day.